Well, my intention right now is to possibly put my flat-out sealant in my rear tire, but I can't remember if the tube in here is a slime tube or not. I mean, it came with a regular valve cap, not a slime tool valve cap, so I'm hoping it's a regular tube. If not, I'm going to have to not use it in here, but I'm not going to know until I pull the valve out of this tire. Also, might be doing a brake adjustment on the rear at least. The front should be fine. I should be able to just use the handlebar adjustment because those are practically brand new pads up there. The rear is not so much. I'm going to have to buy some pads soon. I don't know. Looks like the inside pad's not that worn out, but the outside, the one, I don't know. Hopefully I just have to move them over. So I'm going to start with the sealant part. Jesus. Where's my flathead at? My flathead, my Phillips. Oh, Jesus. You know what? It's going to help me to actually find if I actually have my valve tool somewhere. I have a metal valve tool. I just don't know where it is. I don't know if it's in my backpack or in this bag. This bag is full of stuff. Shoot. I think it might actually be in my backpack. I think that it flat out comes with its own valve tool, but it's plastic. And those never really work because, like, how are you going to twist out a piece of metal with a piece of plastic? I mean, come on. Oh, there it is. I found it. A little broken up, but the case is a little broken up, but the tool should be in there. There we go. Thing is, I want to put it in the front tire too, but I don't know how I'm going to do that because this valve tool is really long, and I don't have much room to work with on the front stem because of the way the rim and the mags are. But I'm going to do the smart thing and actually let air out of this first before I start trying to pull the valve out, so I don't like shoot the valve out of here. Oh, it looks like slime's coming out. Moisture's coming out, maybe. Yeah, but moisture is also a good indication that there's a sealant in here. You know what? Yep, there's a slime tube in there, so I guess I'm not going to be using this on the rear wheel. That sucks. Fuck. Not like I can exactly take the valve off and drain the slime out. Damn it. I'd much rather use this stuff I just bought as opposed to slime, which never really works for me. God damn it. I'm going to pump the tire back up to 35 psi. Fuck. That blows. You know what, though? I kind of need to... I need to get that... I still kind of need to... Actually, you know what? I need to get the thorn strip out of here. I really don't want it in here. I'm afraid I'm going to get a flat that's going to bunch up, and I'm going to have a hell of a time trying to fix my wheel or get home, so... I'm still going to deflate it all the way. I should just be able to pull the tire off of one side and yank the thorn strip out. Like move the tube out of the way. According to the Googles, it's already 67 degrees out here and it's not even 7 o'clock yet. Or, I mean 76 degrees and it's not even 7 o'clock yet. This tire is like so easy to get on and off of here. Let's see if I can just yank this thing out of here. Yep. Sure the tube's gonna want to come out with it, but I can just put it back in there. It's not a big deal. You're thinking, Larry, it's round, it's not gonna work. It's like, no, it's not completely round, because see, I can pull it apart. Just need to get it off the tube first. These thorn strips don't work for shit anyway. They're expensive and they don't really work. Shame on you, Mr. Tuffy. Shame on you. See? Really easy. Alright. The other thing that kind of sucks about sealant sometimes is like you'll get a hole that's too big to actually use with it, but you could patch the tube, but you can't patch the tube because of the sealant. Well, it doesn't work with patch kits. It'll just keep leaking out and making the patch not work. Alright, let's go ahead and pump you back up, tire. So hopefully they actually used, hopefully electric is using real slime in these tubes and not fake slime and knockoff slime or just green colored water. And I think that's on there, yeah. Oh. So I guess in order to readjust my rear brake, I'm going to have to loosen up the wheel and pop it up out of there and move it over so I can get to the nut in there, the bolt, the adjustment screw on the caliper. Kind of got to wiggle this tire around because it's so loose in order to make sure it seats in the rim right. Can't do much until this gets done. I may not even do anymore. I may just go back in the house. My chest is really starting to bother me right now. So, I don't know. Sometimes when it hurts me, I'll like sit here and keep doing stuff and the pain will just kind of go away. It's like half the time though, and the other half of it gets worse. I can't tell how it's going to be just yet, this particular time. This is taking a while. Sometimes you can like over tighten this pump onto the valve and it won't pump efficiently. I thought I was going to have a problem because I obviously know my aunt is visiting, but I forgot she has a car or a SUV and she was in the parking lot or driveway. But it worked out. I had enough room. Might as well leave that on there in case I decide to do the front tire. I know for a fact the front tire is just a regular tube. I don't know what I'm doing now. I might just shelve this and do it tomorrow or something. I mean, my brakes will still stop me. They're just not working great. If there's enough pad on them, it'll just... I don't know. I don't know what to do. Yeah, I think I'm just going to put this up. I don't feel good. I'm just going to go inside. I'll just like leave it all dismantled and shit, and because it's not going to hurt anything. It's not going to be in the way of anybody's cars or nothing, like my roommate's bike or anything like that. It sucks this didn't work out. Oh well. Story of my life. Go inside. Flip the bike over here. Dang it. Oh, man. I don't know. Fuck it. Bummer. There's a pump in here too. Oh well. I'll do this tomorrow, I guess. If I feel better, I'll try to go for a ride later this evening, but for now, I'm just putting this up. Just putting this all away. Besides, it's kind of starting to warm up out here anyway, so... Just hoping like my aunt and my mom aren't going anywhere today and my bike's going to end up being in the way. I think if they went anywhere, they'd take my aunt's vehicle because it's like it's more spacious anyway. I can just hit my shin with my handlebars. That hurt. Get my shirt caught on my phone mount again. Oh well. Just gonna put it right here for now. Come out here later on. I think I wanna over there, goes over there. Shit. I think I'm gonna take the sealant back in with me for now though. I'm sure it's heat resistant since it's supposed to be in a tire, but it's not in a tire right now, it's in a bag. And I don't want the bag getting jacked up. I don't need anything out of my backpack right now, so. Bummer. Oh well, guys. That was a maintenance fail. So remember to have a wonderful whatever, wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next, hopefully not maintenance fail video.